Hey there! Today we've got something special for all you keto enthusiasts out there. I recently stumbled upon the Essential Keto Cookbook, and let me tell you, it's more than just a cookbook. In this review, I'll take you through what it offers and whether it's worth grabbing one for yourself. Here it is, the Essential Keto Cookbook. It's available for free, but you'll need to cover the shipping. Let's dive in and see what it's all about. Inside, you'll find a treasure trove of keto recipes. We're talking about everything you love, but in a keto-friendly way: dinner rolls, pasta, pizza, and even dairy-free cheese. That's right, keto-friendly comfort foods. Let's talk about what makes this cookbook unique. First off, I have to say, the design is clean and easy on the eyes. The images of the dishes are mouth-watering, which is always a big plus for a cookbook. It's well organized, and you can find what you need with ease. What's most impressive is that the recipes here are not just keto-friendly, but also incredibly easy to prepare. Many of them take just 5 to 30 minutes in the kitchen, which is a lifesaver for busy folks. And you don't need a ton of ingredients either. Let's talk about the health factor. The cookbook emphasizes that these recipes are low in carbs and sugars, which is a must for keto. It claims to fuel your body with vitamins, minerals, and fats. I'm excited to see how they taste while being healthy. I did some research, and it seems like this cookbook is pretty popular. Some of the crowd pleasers include creamy salmon ravioli, spaghetti squash noodles, linguine with dairy-free Alfredo sauce, and shrimp fried zucchini. We'll be trying some of these out in upcoming videos. Something I found really helpful is that each recipe comes with nutritional information: calories, fat, protein, and net carbs. It's essential for tracking your keto intake. Getting your hands on the cookbook is simple. It's delivered to you via email immediately, and it's easy to read on any device. You can even print it out if you prefer a physical copy. Now here's something that should ease your concerns if you're not sure about the recipes: a 60-day ironclad guarantee. If you don't like the recipes, you can get your money back. That's a risk-free trial right there. So, is the Essential Keto Cookbook worth it? Well, if you're into keto, want to enjoy comfort foods without compromising your diet, and you're looking for quick and easy recipes, this might be a fantastic addition to your kitchen. It's free, you only pay for shipping, and with the 60-day guarantee, you've got nothing to lose. I'll be trying out some of the recipes from this cookbook in future videos, so stay tuned for that. If you've used this cookbook before, I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. And if you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more reviews and delicious keto recipes. That's it for today, folks. Thanks for joining me in this review. Until next time, happy cooking and stay keto.